Welcome back to the Nourishment Hut, where we unlock the secrets of nutrition and good health through the foods we eat every day. Before we begin, we must remind you that the content and videos from the Nourishment Hut are for informational and educational purposes only. We are not medical professionals, nutritionists, dietitians, or fitness instructors. Please refer to our medical disclaimer located in the description area of this video. We caution you to review the disclaimer before continuing. Your health is important to us, and while we strive to provide accurate information, it's always best to consult with a professional for personalized advice. Today, we're peeling back the layers on a common, yet often overlooked ingredient, the humble onion. Let's dive in and explore its amazing health benefits and some delicious ways to incorporate it into your meals. Ever wondered how that humble onion in your kitchen could be a powerhouse of health benefits? Well, it's time to peel away the layers and reveal what's hiding underneath. Onions are not just flavor boosters, they're packed with nutrients that boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. They're a versatile ingredient, easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from salads to soups to stir-fries. So, let's not underestimate this culinary staple any longer. Now, let's dive into some delicious recipes that will help you incorporate more onions into your diet. Our first recipe is a warm, comforting onion soup. To begin, you'll need 4 medium-sized onions, peeled and thinly sliced. In a large pot, melt a knob of unsalted butter and sauté the onions until they're golden and caramelized. This is where the magic happens. The caramelization process releases the onion's natural sugars, giving our soup its distinct, hearty flavor. Next, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic, a dash of thyme, and 6 cups of vegetable broth. Let it simmer gently for about 30 minutes, allowing the ingredients to meld together beautifully. Finally, season with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This onion soup not only warms your body, but also boosts your immunity. For those who prefer something fresh and crunchy, let's prepare an onion salad. We start by slicing 2 medium-sized red onions into thin rings. Red onions are packed with antioxidants and can help lower heart disease risk. Next, we add 2 chopped tomatoes, which are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Then, we toss in a handful of chopped parsley. Parsley is a natural diuretic and aids digestion. For the dressing, we whisk together a tablespoon each of olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Olive oil is heart-friendly, while apple cider vinegar aids in weight loss. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything well, and voila, your onion salad is ready. This onion salad is a burst of flavors and health benefits in each bite. For our final recipe, we have sautéed onions. Simple, yet packed with health benefits. Let's get started. First, thinly slice your onions. Next, heat a splash of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the onions, stirring occasionally. Patience is key here, as we're aiming for a slow caramelization that brings out the natural sweetness of the onions. This could take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, but trust me, it's worth it. Once they're a lovely golden brown and beautifully sweet, they're done. It's that simple. The magic of this recipe is in its simplicity, yet it's a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. These sautéed onions are a perfect side dish that adds a healthful punch to your meal. So, there you have it, 3 simple and healthy onion recipes. From the soothing onion soup to the crisp onion salad and the delightful sautéed onions, each has unique benefits and are easy to include in your daily meals. Enjoy these recipes, and remember, a little onion can go a long way in boosting your health. Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with family and friends. Have an onionlicious day.